Hello girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's create this glam look together, and this glam look also you can create on your Eid day as Eid is coming. So yeah, you can use this look on your Eid day also. Let's get started now. And remember one thing, skincare is very important. I already done my skincare. If your skincare is good, your makeup will last for a whole day. I have a combination skin. If you wanna know which products I am using for my skin, so you can check my shorts, or if you want I can also upload my video in the description box. So without wasting any time, let's get started now. First of all, I will start with my primer. I'm using this NYX primer. It's a grip primer. One more thing is must have is little fan, so you can dry your product with this easily. So now I'm going to apply this color corrector. We have a brown skin and we have our dark circles, we have a pimples, and we have so many problems on the face mostly. I also have a dark circles, so I'm using this color corrector to correct my dark circles and applying on my lid also. Just blend the edges, no need to blend all, because it should be stay on your skin. Now I'm going to start the eye makeup first, as I'm doing simple and easy makeup, so I'm not doing any heavy eye makeup. So this makeup you can also use on your Eid day. Now first I'm going to apply the concealer on my eyelid to prepare my eyelid for the eyeshadow. I'm going to set my eyelid with the loose powder, any favorite loose powder you can. So today I'm going to use this Huda Beauty palette. So as I'm doing just light makeup look, so I'm doing the light makeup look. I'm going to grab this light color. After that I'm using this color to make it little bit darker, and for the glitter I will use go to golden or silver, so it can go all of your dresses. Doing circular motion. Now I'm going to take the smaller brush, darker my crease with this same pink shade. I really want a little bit more depth, so I'm using the darker shade on the corners only. And when you're satisfied with your makeup, you just take a clean brush and then just blend the edges. With this pink eye makeup look, I like to apply this glitter actually. This one. Other eye also. And first I will apply the foundation, concealer, then after that I will apply the eyeshadows on my lower. I'm going to hydrate my face with this mist. I'm using this Fit Me foundation. The shade is 220. The same concealer I am applying. Again your brush, and you can blend them together. I'm taking this palette and I'm grabbing this color, and I'm just using my two fingers to contour my nose. Just make a straight line. Here you go. Now I'm using this next one. This is a very good blush. Now I'm going to set my under eye with this cutie. With the loose powder I just took a little bit because my under eyes are already very dry. The same shade I'm applying on my lower lash. If you want your eyes will look wide open, so you can apply the white kajal, and these are looking wide open and big. If you want your eyes will look big, so you can apply the white kajal. And for the lipstick I'm applying this next one, Fat Oil. So here you go, my makeup look is done. This is very easy and simple makeup you can also do at home. So I hope you like my makeup, you like my techniques, and this makeup also you can do on your Eid day. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.